When it's pouring outside, nothing is as comforting as a warm cup of soup. Today, I'm going to show you a thick and creamy soup made with milk, but it's just as warming and comforting and soothing to the soul as well as the stomach. Today's recipe is a corn chowder. And take a screenshot of the ingredients to help you make it at home. So this soup is an easy recipe where everything goes right into the pan. I'm going to start by heating the pan. I'm going to put it on low heat. And we're going to add butter, because all good things start with butter. And to make sure the butter doesn't burn, I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil. Then we add the aromatics: garlic, onions, finely chopped, and celery. Just give that a stir and let them cook until nice and fragrant. So you want to cook it until it starts sizzling, but you want to wait for a little longer until the smell and the fragrance envelops the kitchen. So the base of the soup, which is the aromatics, is well cooked and it's ready for the potatoes to go in. So I finely dice the potatoes simply because they're uncooked. So the smaller they are, the quicker they're going to cook. And give it a stir. Let them take on the flavor. We're going to add salt, about a teaspoon. And then I add the milk, about 200 ml. The potato and the milk together help thicken the soup, and the milk will also help boil the potato. I'm going to cover it for about 5 to 7 minutes until it's ready. So we're going to give the soup a stir. I'm going to add some corn. Mix dried herbs, whatever you have in your pantry. Takeaway pizza packets work as well. Add some pepper and spring onions. I'm going to put half the amount because I want the rest to use as garnish on top. Just give it a little stir. I'm going to put the lid back on. So we leave about 5 to 10 more minutes until you think it's done. So the soup is pretty much ready. The potato has boiled through and the flavors have merged perfectly together. Switch off the heat and we're ready to plate. All it requires is to ladle it out. For a final garnish, add a few Nacho Chips, which adds a nice crunch, and a final sprinkle of spring onions for a lovely pop of color. So there we have it, the corn chowder. I hope you like this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to India Food Network for more such monsoon recipes.